I don't want to clear the overrides. See, now it says clear overrides. If I do that, it's going to just set it right back to the way it was. But what I really wanted to do was say, no, I really like this, and I would like all the other headers to now be italicized as well. So I come up here and say, redefine the paragraph style. So I just say redefine, and it changes it here and changes all the instances where I used that as well. So for me, I might set something up and go, yeah, that looks good, but I'm going to constantly keep tweaking it. But because I've set styles up, and even if I've only done it as a one artboard, let's just say it's a poster layout or something, but you've got, you know, drink specials and all this stuff, and every time you had a dollar sign, it was a certain style. How much of a pain would that be to change the 20 drink specials, or just have a style and say, I want to change that, so now my dollar sign is not green anymore, it's orange, you know, and I can just change it from there. All right, so I'll go ahead and do that. And the last thing with styles is character styles. And so character styles are like, okay, that's great, that made this, but what's a character style? Well, a character style, going back to that house building analogy, is, you know, in certain rooms you might have different colored paint, different decor on the wall, different wall texture, something like that. That's what gives each room its character. So the character style is like that. It's sort of the decor, it's the exception to the rule. So this paragraph here, we've got the regular 12-point Myriad Pro for my paragraph. But sometimes I might want something like italic on top of it. So I create character styles with nothing selected. I want them to be very simple. My character style, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to Option or Alt click, and I have nothing selected. I don't want any information being force-fed into this style. Right, so I'm going to Option or Alt click on that, and I'm going to call this, let's actually do an italic one, and I'm going to come over here to Basic Character Formatting, Font Styling, and I'm going to go ahead and choose italic. And actually I have to choose, in Illustrator you have to choose a font as well, so it's Myriad Pro. So let's go back to Myriad Pro, and I want to do italic. Does it have just plain italic? Maybe it does not. It does. There we go. You can see I have a lot. Myriad Pro has a lot of typefaces involved with it. So I'm going to go ahead and choose italic. So that's it. The only thing I want is for it to be italic. So I'll say OK. And now when I come in here, I can just select the characters that I want to change and say italic. So instead of me just italicizing it, what that would do is it would show me that the paragraph is set up for Myriad Pro, and this is italic, but if I change the paragraph style, if I don't have a character style applied to that, it could get left behind in all the changes as we go along. So I like to have everything styled, and again, if I decide I don't like the way something looks, I can change the style, and it will change throughout the entire document. So styles are huge, I think. And it's going to make everything formatting a lot quicker. And then next time you decide to make a poster that looks just like it, I might want to save these for further use. So I can go ahead and I can load character styles from another file.